Hey friends, today we're going to have a lesson on the third sound basket. Are you ready? Okay. The first sound we're going to say is B. B is similar to the sound P, but P happens at the back of your throat, where B happens at the front of your mouth. Can you say B with me? B. Very good. B is represented by the letter B. 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 Our next sound is K. K happens at the roof of your mouth, the top. Can you blow air at the top and say K? K. Very good. The sound K is represented by the letter C. K. K. Our next sound is F. Teeth on your front bottom lip. F. Very good. F is represented by the letter F. Our next sound is N. Can you scrunch your nose? N. Very good. N is represented by the letter N. N. Our next sound is Can you say that with a mad face? Is represented by the letter R. Very good. Our last sound is Eh. Eh and I are similar sounds. I makes me scrunch my nose. I. Eh makes me smile. Eh. Can you say eh with me? Eh. Very good. Eh is represented by the letter E. Eh. Let's go over all of our sounds, then you can help me find our picture matches. Are you ready? Okay. Can you say it after me? B. B. Very good. All in your lips. B. K. Sometimes I do this to help. K. Very good. Blow the air out your teeth and your bottom lip. Nice. N. Scrunch your nose. N. Can you make a mad face? Last one. Smile. Eh. Eh. All right, we're ready to match our pictures. Eh. Egg. B. K. N. Eh. Egg. Cup. Cup. B. K. Cup. Rug. B. K. N. Rug. Yes. Foot. Foot. B. K. Foot. Bus. 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 Balloon. Balloon. Bus. Balloon. corn, corn. B, corn, cup. Nine, nine. B, nine. B, banana. B, b, banana, bus, balloon. Needle, needle. B, k, needle. Nine. Elephant, elephant. B, k, elephant. Egg. Nest, nest. B, k, nest. Nine. Needle. Fan. B, k, fan. Foot. Rake, rake. B, k, rake. Rug, Fox, fox. B, k, fox. Foot. Fan. Rod. They are holding a fishing rod. Rod. B, k, rod. Rug. Rake. Elbow. The arrow is pointing to her elbow. Elbow. B, k, elbow. We found all the matches. Thank you for helping me, friends. See you next time.